Every great business starts with a single step. Today, I've got something incredibly special for you. We're breaking down the step-by-step castle method for building a successful business from scratch. Ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of starting your own business? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how to create a working minimum viable product in under less time. Ready to turn your business dreams into reality? Let's dive in. Step 1. Conceptualize. Example story: Cedric, an 18-year-old aspiring entrepreneur, starts generating business ideas through ideation. Process: ideation involves brainstorming multiple ideas, researching the market, identifying problems, developing a unique value proposition, and refining the idea. Hedgehog concept: combining market demand, personal interest, and expertise to find a viable business idea. Step 2. Assemble your minimum viable product (MVP). Importance of MVP: focus on lead generation by creating a simple, free offering to gauge market interest. Examples: webinars or scorecards, online quizzes to attract leads and validate the business idea. Demonstration: creating a scorecard for Cedric's one-making business using an app called Score App. Step 3. Shape your product towards product market fit. Adjusting to market needs, refining the product based on customer feedback and market validation. Personal example: the speaker shares how their business idea evolved based on market feedback, leading to the successful part-time YouTuber Academy. Step 4. Launch your product go-to-market. Marketing strategy: once product market fit is achieved, use marketing strategies such as paid ads, influencer partnerships, and direct outreach to launch the product. Emotion, logic, urgency: effective sales trigger emotions, provide logical reasons, and create urgency for customers. Step 5. Expand and scale up. Growth strategy: scaling involves expanding to new products, markets, or territories. Expert advice: the speaker mentions the importance of having a CEO coach or business mentor for guidance in scaling up. Final advice: emphasizing that every business aspect is downstream of lead generation and encouraging viewers to start with conceptualizing and assembling their MVP before focusing on other business aspects. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found these insights into high-income skills valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could benefit. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips, more insights on achieving financial freedom and building the life you dream of, and strategies to boost your career and income. Have questions or want to share your journey? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired. See you in the next video. Keep hustling, keep learning, and stay awesome. See you in the next video.